Hi and welcome to Deel. We're excited to have you on board. In this video, we will take you through some key pieces of information that will help you with your CalForm onboarding experience as an employee in Canada. Today, we'll be covering topics including your benefits with Manulife, your registered retirement savings plan, and some onboarding topics such as tax forms and your social insurance number. Setting up your benefits can be intimidating, especially when there are so many details to read through. But Manulife supports you through your enrollment process with detailed benefits brochures and even helps to break down the different levels of coverage available to you. How do you get started? An enrollment email will be delivered to you from our insurance broker, Sterling Capital Brokers, within 5 days of your start date. However, it is important to note that your benefits will be active as of your actual start date, regardless of the time you finish enrollment. This means that if you have any expenses that can be covered by your benefits plan, you can submit them for reimbursement after enrollment has been completed. It is important that all employees must enroll all eligible dependents, including your spouse, common law, and children. This must be completed even if your dependents already have benefits coverage outside of Deel, and you can waive their benefits as dependents during the enrollment process. Now that we've gone over our benefits, let's move on to your retirement savings plan. Registered Retirement Savings Plan. A retirement savings plan, or a RRSP, is offered to all Deel employees. This is administered through Wealthsimple, a Canadian online investment management service, and is an employee-only contribution. Employees can choose to opt into this benefit to automatically have a withholding from their pre-tax administration allocated to their RRSP. Employees can also choose to opt out of this plan entirely if they are not interested. Though if you do choose to set up your own RRSP, you will have full access to the Wealthsimple web platform and mobile app, where you can manage your deductions or changes at any time. Tax forms are required to be submitted throughout the onboarding process, as these forms help us process accurate payments and manage any income tax deductions each pay period. 2 forms that are required are the TD1 federal tax form and the provincial tax form that applies to your province. Lastly, your social insurance number, or SIN, is a legal requirement to work in Canada. Employees will be required to submit proof of a current and valid SIN during the onboarding process. Acceptable documents include your SIN card, confirmation of SIN from Service Canada, past T4 statement, or other government-issue SIN documentation. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Deel.